Hey you guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you're having a great day or night wherever you are. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Lakme Absolute Serums. Now, you all already know I love serums and I've been experimenting with a lot of them because they're so easy to use. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Serum. And this is what I've been testing out for the last 30 days. Now, if you're new here, hi, my name's Preeti. I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free, which means products that are not tested on animals. And I also talk about vegan beauty and lifestyle tips. Now, if this is the kind of content that you resonate with, that you would want to watch, I highly suggest subscribing to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and continue watching today's video. Now, serums for me are some of the most easy to use products, mainly because they're so fast absorbing, very easy to layer in your skincare routine, and honestly on most days they're very moisturizing. You don't even need a moisturizer on top, and that's why I genuinely like serums. On my combination acne prone skin, serums work really well, you guys, because it gives me that perfect hydration and moisturization without feeling too heavy. So since mid-Jan, I've been trying out this serum right here from Lakme Absolute, the Perfect Radiance one, and this is a brightening serum that works really well on giving you that evened out skin tone, yet giving you a glowing and brightened skin. Alright, let's talk about the packaging first, you guys. This is what the packaging looks like, and you need to rotate it like this to dispense the product. What I love about this serum is that it's very fast absorbing. It's very easy to layer in your skincare routine in your AM as well as your PM. And with summer right around the corner, this is the perfect way to hydrate your skin, to moisturize it. You don't have to layer another moisturizer on top of this. Look at that, you guys. Of course, it's a little wet right now, so the sheen is a bit much, but as soon as it dries, it just sinks into your pores. It doesn't feel sticky or greasy at all. The Perfect Radiance Serum is really good for anybody who's got hyperpigmentation, for anybody who wants to even out an uneven tan. If you've got hyperpigmentation around your mouth, post-acne pigmentation, this will work really well, you guys. I've been testing this out for 30 days and I can assure you that it really works on reducing all of those marks on your face. Now, as always, I'm going to talk about some of the key ingredients that really stand out from all of them. Now, the first two ingredients are water and glycerin, followed by niacinamide as the fifth ingredient. Niacinamide is one of my all-time favorite skincare ingredients. You all already know that by now. It's one of the best ingredients for improving skin tone, improving skin texture, regulating sebum production. It brightens your skin. It's one of the best active skincare ingredients. Now, you do have some cross polymers here which really help in the absorption of skincare ingredients into your skin. It helps in the absorption of the product itself into your skin. This helps it perform way better. After the cross polymers, you can also notice there's hexyl resorcinol, which is very good for brightening your skin. It's very good for protecting your skin from free radicals. Hexyl resorcinol honestly works really good with niacinamide. That combination is amazing. So it's really nice that they've included that here because this is a brightening serum and both of these together definitely work on brightening the skin. Now, it's followed by perfume right at the start, and I wish that the perfume was in the last few ingredients. Although it's not too strong, it hasn't irritated my skin. I would have preferred the fragrance to be at the bottom and not right there, like in the top 15. You've got xanthan gum, you've got mica, titanium dioxide mica, helps you brighten your look. It gives you that 3D feel on your skin, helps you get that glow, so it looks really good under makeup as well. Now, it's got ammonium lactate right here, which is basically salts of lactic acid. Very good for improving your skin tone because it's a very slight exfoliant. It's also got citric acid followed by diamond dust. Now, diamond dust is very good in skincare. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of the diamond dust facials that are so common in almost every spa, every salon. They're also quite pricey. Diamond dust is very good because it improves your collagen production. It also retains moisture really well. Now, because it is so highly absorbent in nature and it keeps all of that moisture within, it helps to improve your complexion because you know how dry skin really looks patchy and dark. When you have completely hydrated skin, it's going to look plump and it's going to look brighter. Now, it's got sunflower seed oil. It's also got witch hazel water. Witch hazel is really good for improving skin tone, skin texture, keeping acne at bay. It's also like a natural astringent of sorts. I really like it. However, certain people are allergic to it. It does not suit everybody. But even then, it's in the almost last 10 to 15 ingredients, so it shouldn't really bother you much. I also forgot to mention it's got sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is basically a water-soluble, a more stable form of vitamin C. Really good for brightening your skin tone. This, along with niacinamide, are like a match made in heaven, you guys. I absolutely love these ingredients together and I highly swear by them. I'm so glad they decided to include it in the ingredient list because this is a very good ingredient to fade away acne pigmentation and hyperpigmentation while boosting your collagen production. Because that's what vitamin C does, right? It boosts your collagen production, makes your skin firmer, brighter, reduces acne also. So that's really good that they've added a more water-soluble ingredient. Now the linalool, citronellol, and limonene right here, these are from citric acid. They're part of it. So these are again at the bottom of the skincare ingredient list, so you don't have to worry too much about them troubling your skin. Now the ingredients that I shot the limelight on, these are in my opinion the hero ingredients because these work really well on improving skin tone, improving collagen production, hydrating your skin. All of these together are needed to give you a brightened look. No matter what your skin tone is, you could be dusky and warm and still have a dull skin. You could be fair, very fair, and still have dull skin. And these ingredients will help you achieve that glow, that plump feel that your skin needs, a firmer feel, yet a more moisturized look, which is brightened everywhere with your acne marks, under eye area right here, around your mouth. In the last 30 days of using this, of course, I patch tested it and I then introduced it into my skincare routine slow and steady. I noticed that it really helped to improve my skin tone and texture, you guys. It's worked really well. I've had no issues at all. It just worked so seamlessly into my skincare routine because my skincare routine is predominantly vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and these work really well with the serum. Now you can use this by itself, cleanse, tone, and then serum. I would suggest you use another vitamin C underneath to boost that brightening effect, but again, that's totally your call. If you feel that your skin needs a bit more hydration, you can then layer another moisturizer on top of this. In my opinion, I don't think you would even need it because this is very hydrating. Do not go by the thin texture of this, you guys. It is magic in a bottle because it really does hydrate your skin. The fragrance is very gentle. It's honestly not that strong. I like it. It's not strong at all. I highly recommend this, you guys. This is a very good serum. It's so easy to find, be it in drugstores, online. I absolutely love this and I'm so glad I got the chance to try it out because it is a very, very good serum. Now, along with the Skin Radiance Serum, Lakme Absolute also has these two right here. This is the Youth Infinity Skin Sculpting Serum and this is the Skin Gloss Reflection Serum. This is what they look like. The packaging is the same. I've been trying out the skin gloss as well here and there. Wanted to really try it out because it looks like such a good combination of skincare ingredients. This is a very good serum if you want to give your skin that extra hydration. It gives you a very nice dewy look and I really like that under makeup. This is going to be great for anybody who has dry to very dry skin. Even on combination skin like mine, this will work really well if you want to add that dewy look to your skin. Now the Youth Infinity Serum, I haven't tried this, but I've heard so many good things about this, you guys. A lot of people have been raving about this. This is a good product to include in your skincare routine if you follow an anti-aging skincare routine like me. If you're in your 20s, I'm pretty sure you've already started your anti-aging skincare routine. This boosts collagen production. It really helps to prevent the fine lines and wrinkles. This is the one that I want to try out the whole of March because I've heard such good things about this. This is really cool to give you a firm and brightened look. Now the good part about all three of these serums is that they are very hydrating. I patch tested each of these for 24 hours on the back of my palm and they're so hydrating. All of these are fast absorbing, they're non-sticky, non-greasy, and I think this would be great. All three of these would be great for all skin types. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to start the Youth Infinity one because I really want to try it. It's raved about so much. This is approved by me. I really like it. Highly, highly recommend it. Now, if you plan to buy any of these serums on the Lakme website, here's a code for you. You can use this and save some coin when you shop on the website. And that's it, you guys. That's my quick, crisp, to the point review of the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Now, as always, I talk about the hero skincare ingredients of every skincare product. This way, you'll understand why and how a product performs with its ingredients kept in focus. It's so important to know the ingredients, you guys, because only then you'll know why a product performs the way it does. I really, really hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit that like button so that I know you found this useful and you enjoyed watching it. And also, let me know what are your favorite Lakme skincare products in the comments below. I will catch you guys later, but before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my previous videos right here. Take care of yourself and only use cruelty-free beauty. Bye. Take care.